I was hoping to get my hands on a new body cam, a Boblov camera just like my old one. The old one's a Boblov DMT204. It had an internal memory of 64 gigabytes and a built-in battery that powered the unit for around 8 hours before needing a recharge. And it was waterproof. To boot, it had all the normal features of a body cam like infrared or night vision and motion detection. While it was more than 5 years old in my possession, it was still good. Yeah, although admittedly, battery capacity had degraded somewhat, now good only for around 5 to 6 hours instead of 8. Yeah, still good, but I reckon it was high time for a new one. I went on LAZADA as per my usual when doing my online shopping. I went on the Boblov flagship store. The vendor wasn't local, based in China in fact, so I was a bit hesitant at first, mostly due to the longer delivery time. Still, I had bought my old camera from said vendor and I didn't have any problems that time. I went for the Boblov X6B this time, an upgrade compared to my old one, with the same internal memory of 64 gigabytes. The removable battery could power the camera for up to 6 hours, and since the camera came with 2 batteries, operation time was around 12 hours total. And it was waterproof as well, but what really caught my attention was its anti-shake or electronic image stabilization feature, which would go a long way definitely in improving the videos for the motovlog. Sure, wind buffeting would still be an issue, but at least the footage would be more stable as compared to that taken with the DMT204. On the downside, the X6B came with a hefty price tag, a whopping 10,000 bucks, man. 10,000 pesos. Oof, yeah. That's more than double the price I paid for the DMT204, but I reckon the features more than made up for it. Yeah. And fortunately, the last of my bike budget, what was left of it after my Eliminator purchase, was just enough for it. Yeah, quite fortunate, man. Unfortunately, the Boblov X6B was not meant to be. At first, the delivery was delayed because as it turned out, the vendor had taken an extended vacation for the Lunar New Year. Yeah, man. I kinda forget about that. The Lunar New Year, I mean. You know, the vendor being Chinese and all that. And then I received the bad news from the vendor when they came back and checked their stock. They were all out of the Boblov X6B. Man. Either they had failed to update LAZADA of their stock or someone had beat me to the last unit. In either case, no new body cam for me, man. So I had no choice but to fall back on my second choice. I was really determined to get a new camera. I had found a vendor again on LAZADA that offered a modified SJCAM SJ4000 Air. Yeah, modified. They had replaced the stock lens with GoPro lens and installed an external microphone jack. I also ordered a 64GB memory card, additional batteries as well as a new action camera chest harness. All in all, the whole order went for around 7,000 bucks. Still quite pricey, but definitely cheaper than the Boblov X6B. Hopefully, there won't be any issues this time around. Yeah. Fingers crossed and all that, man. I'll talk more about my camera purchase if and when the SJ4000 comes in. We'll see. So yeah, that's it for now. I reckon. Wish me luck on getting the new camera. Hopefully again there'll be no issues with the vendor or with the unit. But yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, ride safe, man. Ride safe.